Perfect.
But I don't know, the steering wheel is doing something dangerous. I don't know. I didn't expect it that it was so comfortable, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. English very good of John.
Yes. 1A. In Germany we say 1A.
Hey guys, it's me, Tugi again, and today I thought we will take you with us. I am with John behind the camera. You will see him later too. Say hello.
Hello.
Alright, so we're gonna change the suspension on the E92 M3 of John. First of all, if you can see, it's a very beautiful car. It has a G-Power, what is it?
G-Power SK2.
SK2?
Yes.
SK2 with how much horsepower?
I think 630.
630 horsepower. So it's pretty fast. But the thing is, John put the Airlift suspension in it before he did the G-Power conversion, and now it's undrivable. I mean, it looks nice, but it's undrivable. So what he did, I told him you have to get like the best suspension for this car. And in my opinion, for street use, it's the KW V3 Clubsport. As we said, the KW V3 Clubsport, it's not new, but it's like new.
Yes. About 2000 kilometers.
Yes. And in my opinion, you could use these suspensions forever. I mean, if it's broken, you can send it to KW and they will
Rebuild.
rechange, I don't know. But it's in a very good condition. So we're gonna put this in the car, and then the car will be 1A.
Perfect.
And I will take you with us. John did the whole cables and stuff,
Yes.
removing.
All the installation from the Airlift.
Yes.
Now you can see everything is empty. So the next step we need to do is to take off the Airlift suspension. So
Yeah, I don't know if you guys know, like when you have an Airlift suspension installed, there are cables running everywhere and hoses. What do we have? This Luftleitung.
air cables.
This one. This no.
Yes.
Yeah, air cables. So you remove that, and now we have to take the suspension off. As you can see here, we let the air out. It's locker already.
It's definitely bullshit.
What do you say in like after you drive several kilometers with the suspension? What do you say about it? Would you do it again? Would you recommend it?
I would never do it again.
Why?
It's definitely bullshit. You can't drive it. It's so... I don't know, you don't have control about the car with this horsepower. So it's...
Yeah. Like a lot of people told me before that a good Airlift suspension is drivable, but in my opinion, if you compare it to nice coilovers, you forget it. Like, it looks nice, yes, but it's only for standing, and cars are not there for standing, in my opinion. So you have to drive the cars, you have to get the control over the car, and for that, do coilovers. Trust me. Alright, enough talking. Now let's get to work. We'll lift the car up, get the suspension out, and then the new one in. And you can watch us. Have fun. beautiful supercharger here. And there's the beautiful KW coilovers. We removed the old air suspension and now we're gonna put the new one in. Let's go.
Du glaubst selber nicht, wie das mich freut, gell? Wie ein kleines Kind zu Weihnachten.
Das ist krank. Du wirst sehen am ersten Mal, wenn du fährst. Tschüss. Short interruption here. This is what happens if you're working on Sundays. Servus! So guys, we have a beautiful R33 GTR in white with nice pole positions in it. It's a track spec, as you can see, with a nice half roll cage, some Japan racing wheels, and the sound, oh my god, you have to hear it in a second. I will ask the owner if he can start it for us and give it as a little sound check. But yeah, dream car, really. Especially this combo R33 and R33 and E36 M3. My god, these cars look so nice together.
Hätte ich das früher gewusst, gibt's Spurlenker.
Was?
Ofen geröstet. Ist nicht so gut. Aber ansonsten. Oh, da kommt auch immer Twins. Oder?
Ja, man, they were brothers, stimmt. Macht Spaß. Was machst du da?
Was soll ich denn machen?
Warum sitzt du auf dem Boden?
Ich hab keinen Bock hochzulassen.
Aber das Auto sieht aus wie ein Dingladen. Wie ein Go-Karter, Mann.
Alright, we installed the coilovers. Now we're going on a test ride. We have Dennis. We have Dennis with us. And John is in the car. Let's start it! Was ist das dann voll leise?
Das ist leise, ja. Sehr leise. Alles original.
Very quiet M3. We don't like quiet M3s, but whatever. This is the quietest M3 I've ever heard in my life. Why?
Yes. Because all stock, everything stock.
Kopf raus. Fahr mal. So this is the first drive with the KW coilovers. What do you think? First meters?
Perfect.
Perfect.
But I don't know, the steering wheel is doing something dangerous. I don't know.
Yeah, we have to
So.
get the alignment done. But first of all,
It's perfect.
Yeah.
I love it.
we're looking for any issues, but there are no issues. Only the steering wheel.
At the moment, no.
At
But
the moment,
let's
no.
see.
Let's see.
Habt ihr gemerkt, wie Arsch weggerutscht ist?
Ja, man.
Das war, weil Spur nicht passt, Bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Voll angenehm.
So, what do you say about the comfort of the coilovers?
Perfect.
I mean, it's very sporty.
Yes, it's really sporty, but I didn't expect it that it was so comfortable, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. English very good of John.
Yes. 1A. In Germany we say 1A.
Yeah, that's what I said too. I mean, like, there are other coilovers. There are
Coilovers.
Colorways or what?
So, what are we trying? Fahr rechts.
What you try to say?
What we try to say is that the KW coilovers are so good
Coilovers.
that they are sporty and comfortable at the same time. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So we enjoy it. We love it. We just have to get the alignment done because it drives shit right now. Straight. Yeah. But all in all, very good decision.
Very good.
Very good.